Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to stop Chrome notifications. We'll cover disabling all alerts, managing specific website permissions, and preventing future notification requests. This guide will help you regain control over your browsing experience and reduce distractions. You'll learn simple steps to customize your settings effectively, ensuring a more focused and peaceful online environment. To disable all notifications, first open your Chrome browser and click the three dots in the top right corner to access the menu. From there, select Settings. Next, navigate to Privacy and Security, then click on Site Settings. Under Permissions, find Notifications and choose the option to Don't allow sites to send notifications. This will stop all new alerts. If you prefer to manage notifications for individual websites, go back to the Notifications section within Site Settings. Here, you'll see lists of sites that are allowed or blocked. You can easily remove a site from the Allow list or add one to the Block list. This gives you granular control, letting you silence only the most disruptive sources. To prevent websites from asking for notification permission in the future, ensure your default setting for notifications is set to Don't allow sites to send notifications. This proactive step stops those annoying pop-ups before they even appear. Regularly review your allowed and blocked lists to keep your preferences updated, ensuring a consistently quiet and focused browsing experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.